What is up, guys? My name is Tabby, or Carrie now. I've changed my name. As you all know, I've moved house, so it's a different background now. But today I'm showing you how to make slime. I've already made some. This is like my good one, my best one. Like, let me just set the camera down. This is my good slime. This is like a fresh batch that I've just made. And it's super cool. So now I'm only going to make a small bit, because I want to keep the rest of my blue tack for more slime, just in case this one fails. But anyway, so I've got this much blue tack. It's only 2 ingredients. You just need 1 piece of blue tack and a little bit of hand soap. I'll pause the video while I get the hand soap, because it's in the other bathroom. Okay, so just put some on now. And I've got to mix it in. I actually think I might have put too much on, or maybe too little. But it shouldn't be stringy. There you go, see, as you can see, it's getting better. I'm just going to go get some more. As you can see now, I've just put some on. And it's getting like kind of similar to, see, there we go, and now you have slime. And this is a slime that I can actually make, and you can get these for like Tesco or any craft store or Pound World. But if you're in like America, then just ignore what I just said, apart from the craft store part. If you're in America, you can probably get in like Target or Walmart. And then it feels super fluffy. Just being honest, it feels so fluffy. I think this batch feels better though. We'll go stretch test now. Okay, so that was that one for the stretch test. This one stretch test. Yeah, this is much better. But anyway, hope you all know how to make a 2 ingredient slime. And that was the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this with any family or friends.